tell us about the situation that occurred on Monday. You were at the courthouse, family court,
Yes.
in a child custody matter, and your child's father was there,
Yes.
and the child is 10 years old.
Yes.
And as a result of certain conditions, your child's father had been given custody of your child for 6 months,
Yes.
leading up to that day. And concluding that 6-month period, he was supposed to return the child to you,
Yes.
right? There's a social services officer who's assigned to the case who was also at the courthouse at that time.
Yes.
So you were in the hallway waiting for your case to be called.
Yes.
And tell us what happened.
Well, Monday, what, 1:15, so I was waiting for my name to be called and his also. And we were waiting.
In the hallway?
In the
How
hallway.
many people were there in the hallway?
About 14, 15, so
Okay.
waiting for the court case to call.
So you were sitting, you were standing, you were
I
talking
was
to
sitting.
people?
I was
Okay.
sitting. I was talking to my daughter.
Okay. How old is your daughter?
She's 10.
10 years old.
Yes.
And where was her father at that time?
The father was by the door.
How
The
far
ho-
away from you was
what?
that? 4 or 5 feet?
Feet, right?
Yes.
Feet. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes. And they were waiting. He talking about me. How I spreading my legs. I open my legs
Okay.
for other men. And he's not the father of the
Okay, so
child.
He's denying that he is the father. of the
Yes, he denied.
child. Okay.
He started calling me names. He started calling me bitch.
Right.
So I tell him, I'm going to put teeth in his mouth.
Right.
So
And you were still sitting at that time?
yes.
Right.
So I started grinning my teeth for him. And everybody started laughing. And then he come towards my face and give me a punch in my eye.
So you were sitting and he was standing over you?
Yes.
Right. Was there any police officer in the hallway at the time?
No, the security officer
Just a
from
security.
downstairs. Yes.
Was he downstairs or was he in the hallway?
I think he was coming up.
Or he was coming up?
Yes.
So did he witness anything?
Yeah, I think so. Yes, they have a camera in the hallway.
Right, but did the security officer see when he punched you in the
No.
face? He did not.
They just see my eye.
He
swell
came
up.
in after you
Yeah.
were punched.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So they
So what
pulled-
did you do? What happened after that?
They pulled me inside the. Is the brother sister hold me? They make
Right.
go inside, go inside, go inside.
Right.
They're going to take an ice from to put
Why
in my
did they
eye.
why did they want to hold you? Were you going to hit him or?
No, I think maybe he want to come and give me another punch. I don't
Right.
know.
So they pulled you away and they
Yeah.
pulled him away.
Yeah.
Right.
So-
How soon after that was your case called?
What?
A few minutes? 5 minutes? 10
What?
minutes?
1 minute. So
Yeah. So almost immediately your case you were called in.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And what did you do when you got into the courtroom? What did you say anything to the magistrate?
No, I didn't talk at all.
Right. So
He
who
that was
brought-
talking.
Right. So who brought it to the court's attention that you were punched in the face? He did.
Yeah.
Right.
So
And
he
what
started
did
talk-
you say?
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I didn't say goink. I had my head just down because that hurted me so much.
Did the magistrate ask you anything?
She asked me a question, but I didn't repeat.
You didn't understand what she said?
I understand, but I couldn't talk.
You didn't respond?
No.
Okay. And why didn't you respond?
Because that hurted my eye. And
Because, right, you were in pain?
Yes, I
Right.
couldn't talk at all.
Okay.
Yeah. So he told the magistrate he's not the father of the child. He had the rage from not now. So that's why he gave me the punch in my eye.
And what did the magistrate say? She tell you about the case, what to do about the
She was
punch?
talking to him alone.
Right.
He said,
What did the magistrate advise you to do now that you had been punched in the face?
she told me that's a different matter, so I have to go CID and make a report.
Okay.
So I said, okay, in my head. I couldn't talk up to now. So she told...
So what did he tell her about what happened? He actually admitted to the magistrate in your presence and in the presence of the other people
Yes.
that he had actually punched you in the eye.
Yes.
Were you wearing shades at that time or
No.
was your
I don't
eye
know.
visible?
Invisible.
It was visible.
Yes.
Did the magistrate say anything about your injuries?
No.
She didn't say anything.
No.
Okay.
She just watched me and she couldn't look because that's so bad. Yes.
So So what matter does she need to fix properly? So you went to the police and
Yes.
made a report.
Yes.
Which police station did you go to?
I went to CID.
CID. Okay.
Yes.
And you made a
Miss-
report there. Did they take you to the hospital?
No. She told me, Miss James told me, the CID officer, she told me go to the hospital and make the report. And I bought the medicals for them at the police station
Okay.
at CID.
Okay. And the police officer is investigating. Have they contacted you since Monday?
No, not yet.
Okay.
But I've been going checking them often. So I just want the case to go fast for that to finish.
Okay. Have you been contacted again by the child's father? Has he threatened you? Has
No,
anybody
you don't have my
intimidated you?
number.